Enganzi y'ihanga Right Honorable Robinah Nabanja ebya bwambere bwabeire nakingaho omushomo gw'ebiro bibiri ogubeire gutebekana sibo kwongera hamwe no kuhereza okugwa bebembezi ba government z'ebyanga omuri Bunyoro okutendeka oku kubeire kuri omu district ya Kakumiro kukiruha abantu abarikurenga bishatu kandi kubeire kutebekana sibo ministry ya ICT hamwe na national guidance.
They want us to have a hospital at international standard. They want us to have these other training fields. Now, do you know what happened? Now, he was there with me. Colima Regional Referral Hospital has been given money to upgrade its standard to international standard. Now, Colima City, there are roads that are supposed to be upgraded so that they can shoot the international standard.
Omutumwa bw'enganzi y'ihanga Right Honorable Robinah Nabanja agizire ngo abebembezi omuri Bunyoro bashemereye kuteekaho ekiragiro aha kunywa hamwe n'okuguza amarwa gwabo kuba eminywerere engesereize okukira munonga omu minyeeto kandi eki kiriyo nicumbagiza entunguuka.
These are the policy makers who are near the district. We need to come up with ordinances, members, to curtail some habits that our people have adopted. Kufora abamani saa zino banyweira kandi bari kuri.
Enganzi y'ihanga hoona akoreise omwanya nigwo gumwe okurabura abo boona abarikureeta obushomankuzo omu programu ya government eya parish development model abagizire ngu nibaryanirira.
Someone 1 million, one takes 500. And yet these villagers are supposed to turn the money. How do you expect somebody here to break even after our leaders have not? But even some of you are not gathered. Nkaja hano Kakumiro na Kakumiro kwa bakabaza wa radio na government. We have to arrest some people.
Okurugira ha Right Honorable Robinah Nabanja abebembezi bona bashemereire kuyimukiramu bakajumirira obushomakuzi hamwe na n'obwoburwanisi.
Leaders, we must inculcate a spirit of open criticism. When we are saying the district of Kakumiro should stop the leaders of Kakumiro district, should stop, including myself, asking for bribes from vulnerable people who are looking for jobs. Please stop.
Ogwasimira abantu ba Bunyoro abwebembezi bwa President Museveni ahamwe n'ebirungi bya government ya NRM ekyabareteire ku muterero bururu gwingi munonga.
Region has over-benefited when it comes to social services. Bunyoro has the best stomach roads in this country. I want you to join the minister for the president for Kakamega International Airport.
Asante sana.
Yashako Nesma studio hawe omuri Kakumiro.
Over the laptops to Kakumiro district for onward transmission or transportation to the intended beneficiaries.